here. And it's time for another safe and sane demo for you. But before we get to the firework demo, say hello to your favorite veteran, Sergeant Pyro!
Oh.
Sergeant Pyro, what in the world do you have in your midst?
Trump snaps back
Yeah.
from 3 monkeys.
Yeah, we were trying to find the brand name for this firework company. And if I zoom in here, you got see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. I don't know. We're going to call it 3 monkeys. I have no idea. But we can see here, we got President-elect Donald Trump, President number 47, previously 45, and he's going to be back in the White House. And what a better way to go ahead and celebrate the president's election winning. Trump snaps back. So anything on the side there, Sergeant Pyro?
Nope.
Nope. And nope. And I think anything on top. There we go. 20 pieces. 20 for our bilingual audience. All right. Are you ready to take President number 47's Trump snaps back and head out to the street pad?
Yeah.
Let's go. To the street pad with Sergeant Pyro. And Sergeant Pyro, these are the Trump snaps back fuseless firecrackers, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, you all know how Sergeant Pyro does this. He takes a handful and he pitches them like he's trying out for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Okay, let's get ready. So we're going to turn off the lights here. And we're going to get the area here going. You can see he's winding up. You're good. Okay, Sergeant Pyro, let me go out. Oh, wait a minute, Sergeant Pyro. I lost my light again. Let me come back a moment. There we go. All right, when you're ready, straight down the middle. Oh! Holy jeez. Well, Trump really snapped back on
He did on that.
All right, here we go. Whoa!
That one went up my nose.
That one shot over my hair. I think my toupee came off. All right, here we go. Whoa! Great, good. Whoa! Whoa!